To install the RVLock remote assist screen crossbar, begin by measuring the width of your screen door. Measure from edge to edge of your aluminum frame. Next, adjust the crossbar to match the previously recorded measurement. Once set, mark the necessary set screw locations to prepare for installation. Using the supplied drill bit, carefully drill pilot holes into the back of the crossbar. Be cautious not to drill through the front of your crossbar. Secure the length of your crossbar with the supplied screws. Now that the crossbar is set to the correct length, hold the bar level across your screen door frame and adjust it to your desired height. Mark the location of the screw holes on your screen frame. Using the supplied drill bit, drill pilot holes into your frame. Be very careful not to drill through the front of your screen door. Secure the crossbar with the supplied screws. Repeat the same process for all 4 mounting screws. To program your remote assist screen crossbar, simply press the fob Learn or Remote button on the back of your handle with a pen. Then, press the lock button on your crossbar until you hear the handle pair. Verify pairing by testing the lock and unlock feature. We hope you enjoy the security and convenience of RVLock. See you on the road.